Hey, happy Sunday. Sunday. You know what that means? Breakfast at 11. Breakfast is fine at any time on a Sunday, okay? So, the reason I'm telling you about breakfast is because, hold on, I gotta flip this. The reason I'm telling you this is because here in this house, we love breakfast sandwiches. Now, when you think of a breakfast sandwich, you're like, oh, Mickey D's. Yes, bitch. But how can we make it healthier? You know what I mean? That's what I'm thinking. Hold on, I gotta flip it here. So, I thought to myself, because my fiance likes his loaded with like fat ass fried egg, fried in bacon grease from like 2 thick ass slices of applewood bacon with a fat slice of that nasty ass Kraft cheese that's the best cheese for anything melting purposes on a ciabatta roll, right? And it's so good. It really is so good. And I made him too, and he's gonna eat both of them. Yes, sister, believe and achieve, okay? So I was like, how can I make myself one, but like healthier? So we're gonna do that as soon as I'm done making his. But I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna eat around here because I've already started cooking his. So his are right here. See that loaded up cheesy, yes bitch. That's turkey bacon that I already cooked. I'm also gonna use egg whites instead of a whole egg for my actual egg, okay? And then I'm gonna put it on Ezekiel, 2 slices of Ezekiel bread, okay? And then I'm also going to use a slice of reduced fat pepper jack cheese. Feel me? So I'm gonna pour my egg whites right into I have a little egg thingy that doesn't work. So the circle egg thing didn't work for me, so I just put it into a circle myself. And I've used the same pan for everything, okay? Mind you, that's why it looks like this. Bacon, bread, all that. Okay, we did a little flipperoo. I flipped it like that, and then that's when I'm gonna take my cheese and put my cheese on top, okay? Cheese. Get it nice and little melty, okay? And then we're gonna put it straight on top of the bread. And then the bread, we're gonna put egg with cheese, turkey bacon, sandwich that mother effer, and then plop it on here to grill her up. You see where I'm going with that? All right, layer of turkey bacon. Egg white with cheese, more turkey bacon. Bread goes on top, and we're gonna plop her in to get nice and toasty. And now we clean up our area. All right, now that we're all nice and crisped up, I'm going to cut it in a triangle for aesthetic reasons. Voila. Healthier breakfast sandwich. And on the side, I made just a little fruit parfait, cottage cheese, blueberries, and some strawberries. This is the cottage cheese I like, the Good Culture. Are your brekkie sandwiches good?
Bomb.
Bomb. There you have it. My healthier version of a breakfast sandwich. Keep in mind, you can add whatever you please to it. I like mine a little more plain, and then every once in a while I'll get frisky and dip it in some ketchup. But today I was just feeling the plain. But the pepper jack cheese does add a little bit of a spice. So you can add whatever veggies you want. It'd be really good with mushrooms. I've done that, or I've even done grilled bell peppers on it. That's really good too. Or you could just leave it like I did and leave it plain, and it's still really yummy. So yeah, let me know if you want let me know if you want to see any more of my crazy renditions, because that was such a crazy alternative, you know, and it got real crazy. Let me know if you'd like to see any more of my healthier versions of the foods that taste so delicious but are not that good for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video.